Welcome to this explainer. You guys, today we are unpacking what is absolutely one of the most fascinating and honestly highest stakes dynamics happening in modern tech right now. Think of this as our journey through the rapidly escalating AI arms race of 2026. If you've been following AI at all, you already know we are way past the days of helpful little assistants just drafting our emails or writing basic Python scripts. No, we've crossed a major threshold. AI is literally acting as both our absolute greatest, most autonomous vulnerability and our ultimate impenetrable defense. So we're going to break down exactly how this entire ecosystem works. We'll look at the absolute latest data reshaping both our digital and physical security landscapes, all mapped out right here. Section 1. The new AI threat and our shifting landscape. Okay, let's dive into this. Because Christo, the CEO over at Hidden Layer, recently dropped a terrifying reality check on us. He pointed out that AI has evolved more in just the past 12 months than most enterprise security programs have in the last 5 years. And their 2026 report backs this up with a truly wild statistic. 1 in 8. Just let that sink in for a second. That is the current ratio of reported AI breaches that are linked directly to autonomous systems. We're not talking about human error anymore. We're not talking about some tired IT worker misconfiguring a server. No, we are talking about AI agents acting completely on their own, which proves just how drastically the whole threat landscape is shifting toward these dynamic, thinking adversaries. Now, to really grasp the scale of this threat, we have to talk about agentic AI. This is a massive fundamental leap in capability. It means we are granting AI systems the autonomy to actively browse the live web, execute actual code, and interact directly with other software tools, all without any human oversight. We've essentially handed them the keys to true autonomy. What used to be, a simple prompt injection flaw, like tricking a chatbot into saying something goofy, is now a massive operational security risk. A manipulated model can now independently execute a full, multi-step workflow that leads to a total system compromise. It's wild. Now, organizations are definitely waking up to this, what we call the shadow AI problem, where AI gets deployed outside official IT oversight. But here is the fascinating and honestly kind of ironic catch. 35% of all AI-related breaches now stem from malware that is literally hidden inside public model and code repositories. Yet 93% of developers still completely rely on those exact same public models for their day-to-day innovation. So in this massive rush for speed, the tech industry is basically trading away fundamental security. Which brings us to Section 2, forging the cyber shield with advanced architectures. Because let's face it, humans simply cannot fight this alone anymore. We have to fight fire with fire. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how our defenses have had to dramatically escalate to keep up. If you look at the evolution of network intrusion detection systems based on recent massive meta-analyses, it's pretty eye-opening. Standalone machine learning? It's okay. It hits about 88.7% accuracy, but it comes with a nearly 7% false positive rate. In a massive enterprise network, that means your security team is literally drowning in false alarms. But look at the progression here. Moving to hybrid models that combine machine learning and deep learning drops that false positive rate down to 2.1%. And then, at the very bottom, we have the absolute state-of-the-art, the XGBoost CNN LSTM hybrid architecture. I know, it's a total alphabet soup, but the math behind it is incredibly elegant. It uses XGBoost for feature selection, CNNs for analyzing network space, and LSTMs to track timing. The result? A staggering 98.7% accuracy with a completely minimal false positive rate. It's a real game changer. But as always, there's a catch, right? How do you actually trust a black box? Because a 98.7% accurate cyber shield is completely useless in a real security operations center if the human analyst sitting there can't confidently understand why the AI triggered the alarm in the first place. You simply can't act on what you don't understand. And this brings us to the absolutely vital need to demystify that black box. We have to shift from these highly complex, opaque mathematical decisions over to explainable AI, or XAI frameworks like SHAP. So the crucial point is that explainable AI is actually the glue holding this entire modern defense ecosystem together. Frameworks like SHAP, which stands for Shapley Additive Explanations, by the way, provide what's called model agnostic interpretability. Basically, they translate all that dense, complicated math directly into clear human logic. They highlight exactly which features triggered an alarm for the analyst, and the best part? Recent research proves we don't even have to compromise on computational efficiency to do this. By using strategic data sampling, we prevent data leakage and maintain top-tier speed. We can actually build trustworthy, enterprise-scale AI that we humans can confidently verify.
Section 3. Innovators on the front line. Now, let's pivot from the abstract global cyber war down to the grassroots tech. Because when we look at who is actually out there building these shields, we find some truly incredible, humanizing stories of grassroots tech scaling globally. Take JSR Technologies, for example. Back in 2007, they literally started in a single room in Ludhiana, Punjab, a city often called the Manchester of India. Fast forward to 2011, and they officially incorporated as JSR Technologies Private Limited. And today, they hold 7 distinct patents in artificial intelligence and maintain a global presence across 4 different countries. It is just a phenomenal chronological ascent. And what's truly inspiring here is the emotional and professional contrast behind this immense growth. JSR Solutions was founded and nurtured by Kavita Gupta and Sunita Gupta. Being a woman-led enterprise in the fast-paced IT space brings this uniquely creative perspective to the table. They evolved completely in tune with the times too, transitioning all the way from early .NET frameworks right into cutting-edge Python programming. They didn't just adapt to the changing landscape. They established a state-of-the-art, fully equipped R&D lab dedicated specifically to artificial intelligence. And that dedication is what led directly to those AI patents and their deep global influence today.
Section 4. Practical tech for business and real-world applications. Let's move to and see how this builds. Because we've talked a whole lot about high-level abstract cybersecurity, right? But these exact same innovators are actually securing and optimizing our everyday physical and operational environments as well. Just like network security had to evolve, physical security is shifting from just passive video recording to proactive, intelligent prevention. It starts with AI continuously studying movement history and patterns to achieve predictive threat detection. This instantly feeds into smart surveillance, which completely minimizes human error by replacing, tired security guards staring at banks of monitors. And finally, if something actually does go sideways, the system initiates biometric access lockdowns for incredibly fast automated emergency responses. We are seeing this tech actively deployed in high-stakes physical spaces right now, like massive hospitals and transit hubs, literally stopping problems before they even happen. And that exact same focus on AI-driven efficiency applies directly to the everyday operational grind of running a business too. Enter JSR Invento. This is a digital solution designed to completely automate your everyday inventory tasks. It tracks sales, monitors stock levels across different locations, integrates seamlessly with barcodes, the whole shebang. But what really makes it amazing is how accessible it is. It runs on literally any platform: iOS, Android, Windows. It operates at rocket speed without needing some special high-end internet connection. It makes reporting totally paperless, and it is incredibly affordable at just 500 rupees a month. Plus, they throw on a 21-day free trial. It perfectly grounds all this high-flying AI tech into everyday, highly accessible business reality. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the real-world verification. We can sit here and talk about features and stats all day long, but tangible impact is what truly matters, right? When Ranjan, a manager at Canem International, openly praises the team for a real satisfactory package, it proves that these practical software solutions are making a verifiable difference. Everyday businesses are actively experiencing the massive benefits of bringing smart, accessible efficiency to their inventory management and daily operations through dedicated partners like JSR. Which brings us to our final section, Section 5, the collaborative IT future and human AI synergy. So let's pull the telescope back out for a second. What is the ultimate goal of all this rapidly evolving technology? Well, the answer is human AI synergy. Because despite all those terrifying agentic AI threats we discussed at the very beginning of this explainer, the real future of IT is an incredibly empowering collaborative environment. AI employees are fundamentally transforming the IT landscape by automating all those tedious routine tasks and complex data analyses. And the true result here? It completely frees up human teams to tackle the truly complex, creative IT challenges. When we work side by side with AI, we become so much more innovative and efficient. It really feels like the absolute perfect collaborative partnership.
But we absolutely must maintain a balanced perspective here. Think about it. We are literally relying on AI to fight AI. We are actively handing over the keys to our digital and physical security to models that are so incredibly complex, they require entirely separate AI models just to explain their logic to us. So I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought. As AI rapidly solidifies its role as both our ultimate weapon and our ultimate shield, who is really controlling the arms race? It is a fascinating, empowering, and undeniably complex new reality. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And